This is the 4th grade lesson 19 worksheet, finding factor pairs. List the factor pairs for the following numbers. For example, the factor pairs for 24 are 1 times 24, 2 times 12, 3 times 8, and 4 times 6. So number 1, we have the number 4. The factor pairs for 4 are 1 times 4 and 2 times 2. Number 2, we have 6. So it'll be 1 times 6 and 2 times 3. Number 3, the factor pairs for 15 would be 1 times 15 and 3 times 5. Number 4, 20, 1 times 20, 2 times 10, and 4 times 5. Number 5, we have 32, so the factor pairs would be 1 times 32, 2 times 16, and 4 times 8. Number 6, the factor pairs for 45 are 1 times 45 and 5 times 9. Number 7, 84, it'll be 1 times 84 and 2 times 42, 3 times 28, 4 times 21, 6 times 14, 7 times 12, and yeah, that's it. Number 8, we have 19. So 19 is a prime number, so the only factor pair for 19 would be 1 times 19. Is it a multiple? Determine if the first number is a multiple of the second. So number 1, we have, is 12 a multiple of 4? What we can do to check this is divide 12, divide by 4, and we get 3. So 12 is a multiple of 4. Number 2, is 4 a multiple of 12? So since the first number is less than the second number, it'll be no. Number 3, is 15 a multiple of 9? So the answer will be no, because the only multiples of 9 are 9, 18, 27, and so on. Number 4, is 36 a multiple of 8? So here we're going to just list it out first. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40. So we don't see 36 in between any of these numbers, so the answer will be no. Number 5, is 91 a multiple of 7? So again, we're just going to list it out. 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63, 70, 77, 84, and 91. So yes, 91 is a multiple of 7. Number 6, is 68 a multiple of 19? So 19, 38, 57, and 76. So 68 is not a multiple of 19. Number 7, is 100 a multiple of 40? So again, we're going to list it out. 40, 80, 120. We don't see 100 in any of those, so 100 is not a multiple of 40. Is 58 a multiple of 2? So to make things easier, we're just going to divide 58 by 2 and see if it is divisible, and 58 over 2 is just 29. So yes, 58 is a multiple of 2. Word problems. Read the problem and solve. Niao is trying to divide her 74 gifts evenly to her 4 friends. She finds that she is unable to do so. Explain why this isn't possible to Niao. So the reason why this is not possible is because 74 is not a multiple of 4. so she won't be able to divide it evenly to each of our 4 friends. Number 2, Yao now has 72 gifts but doesn't know how many friends she could evenly divide this into. Write out all factor pairs to show her all possible numbers of friends she could divide her gifts to. So we're just going to write out the factor pairs for this one. 1 times 72, 2 times 36, 3 times 24, 4 times 18, 6 times 12, 8 times 9. Number 3, how many factor pairs do prime numbers have? Why is this? So prime numbers only have one factor pair, and this is because all prime numbers have only 2 factors, the number 1 and the number itself. So for example, the number 19, the factor pair would be 1 times 19, number 1 times the number itself.